So what are you doing?
I'm watching these cute little turtles. They're so cute. Look at these things. They like stick their little heads out of the water. And they just swim around like this. They're so cute. So we would have said good morning today, but
Good morning, everyone.
we didn't. Good morning.
Good morning.
So good morning, everyone. Now we are headed out of the house, and we're gonna go
To the beach.
pick up Dad at the airport. To pick up Dad at the airport, and then to the beach. We stopped to visit another family that Korean knows in South Carolina.
Would you like to introduce them to us?
Yes, there's the things. The
There you go.
things. Okay, so we just finished visiting with the Thames. Anyways, we just really finished visiting with them, and we all love them a lot. They're super sweet people. I love them. They're so sweet. So we've got a little bit of time to kill before we pick up Dad from the airport. So we decided to go to Walmart.
Yes, you guessed it.
Of course, because Walmart is our favorite place. There is no better place than Walmart. I love it so much. We are now sitting in the airport
Waiting for my dad.
waiting. So very patiently.
Kind of.
Where's my daddy?
Oh, there he is! Woo!
Hello!
Hi, Dad!
Where am I putting everything?
Hi!
It's so good to see you guys!
That's my
I
daddy.
have missed you!
We missed you!
So darn cute, you guys! Hi, El! What? Woohoo!
Good one.
We are at the beach. So we're not going to be swimming because we don't have time. So we just decided that we're going to come touch it and then leave. I am in love with the beach. It's my new favorite place, and I've only been there once. Alright, we've officially touched the Atlantic Ocean.
Yay!
We made it to the church building, and we're ready for game night, and we made it on time. And now we are just starting to pumped. We're gonna party all night long. So we just finished at the church, and now we're headed to
Swig and swine. Swig and swine.
Swig and Swine. Those are pork rinds. I don't think very many of us like them.
I don't like them.
Oh, see? Mom likes them, but most of us did not. How'd you like them, Catherine?
I thought they were good.
Ooh, mac and cheese, y'all.
So anyway,
That's what I'm talking about.
So you guys just gonna admire
Merlin, how do you like the mac and cheese?
this? I like the other one better.
What other one?
And
Chuckarama's mac and cheese?
St. George.
I don't know. I give this one a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
An 11 out of 10. It's so good.
Who wants bread? Riley. Ellie, you want to try it? I thought it was Ellie that was wanting it.
It's good. Try it. Eat it. Chew it. Chew it. Keep chewing. Keep chewing until it's down your throat.
Put it down.
They want
Alright, what'd you think?
it.
So you just don't like southern food?
Oh, that's
Yeah, I don't like that.
yeah.
No. Could you give me
What's
one bread?
good?
One bread.
Not that green stuff.
That
I
green
give
stuff?
that a 0 out of 10. Split it with some 0.
I thought that green stuff was pretty good. I would give it a 7 out of 10.
I would give it a 100 out of.
What are you? Did you just try it?
I would give a 100 out of 10.
Worse than that. It's like minus
Well,
eight.
a 10 would be aftertaste. Not so much.
That's awful.
Alyssa, what do you think?
Really yummy. I like it.
I don't really like this.
You don't like the pickles? Do you like anything? We finally found something that you like. What is it?
Red stuff.
The sweet.
The bread and the sweet red sauce.
No, I want the sweet red
She just likes the sweet red sauce, not the bread.
All right, Catherine, your favorite
That's the red sauce, please.
was?
Have to say the wings.
What about you?
The wings.
My favorite was the wings too. They are so good.
Well, my favorite was this.
He liked the stew.
Whatever this is.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Oh, it's chicken.
No,
With
that's the pork belly. Oh, pork belly.
What about me?
Look at you, Catherine, knowing your meats.
Summer.
the other,
Chicken meat.
the bread.
Yeah, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese or bread. Okay, JC. What's your favorite? Shredded chicken. Ella, what was your favorite?
I like the chicken.
Pork belly. That's what she wanted. That's what she likes. I really liked the mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. What was your favorite?
I don't know if I like any, except for the sweet red sauce.
So her favorite was the sweet red sauce.
I really liked the chicken wings and the corn pudding.
pretty much everything that was cooked here that I ate. All of it. Delicious.
Don't touch it.
Okay, so this is a little thank you gift from us to you.
Oh my gosh.
So, you guys didn't get any, so
We
I decided
didn't,
to
but-
make
oh,
you
that's awesome.
the male and female version.
That's the male version. This is the female. It's got curves.
Yep, that's right. It's got curves.
Oh, I love it.
And then
Really do.
filming. These are I made coasters when I was 13 years old to start my leather working, and my parents still have them in the house and still use them.
Of course.
So they're 30 some odd years, 40, 30 years old.
I have something else for you.
This is payback already. We gave you.
Is that a present?
You did so much for us. Oh my gosh.
This one.
That. Oh my land.
Oh. Oh
Look on the back.
Corian painted this.
Awesome.
That's a castle. That's
Just,
that.
It looks, you know what it reminds me of?
Look out.
Douglas Castle when we went there and we had to take that little rowboat.
Yeah.
Do you know that story?
Turn back. I know.
So, a castle just like this in a rowboat. How could you have known that story in your life? Oh
My mom said, which painting do you want to give mom? And I was like, Caledonia. That's one.
Oh,
Right there.
of course.
She painted this one and finished it up just before her mission. So it was meant for you, I guess.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
So now we're about ready to go to bed, and we're gonna do our favorite parts.
Oh, by far it was meeting up with my family. My beautiful, wonderful family, whom I love a lot.
Seeing Daddy.
Getting Ella. Okay.
Visiting with the Thames and getting to see my best friend again. Going to the beach and just watching Ella have a whole bunch of fun. And I really enjoyed being able to play a piano at the church today. That was really nice. My favorite part was also visiting with the Thames.
My favorite part was seeing Dad and going to the beach. going to the beach or meeting Sister Simons for the second time. This whole day because seeing Dad, going to the beach, eating with Dad, and it was just really fun.
Seeing all my people in my last area. And I also really enjoyed wrestling with Sister Simons. That was really fun.
Stopping spontaneously at Walmart again.
Either the beach or meeting up with Dad.
Opening my present from Sister Terry. It just was such a joy.
Going out and visiting people that we had planned to visit and invite to the YSA.
So he was like, could you imagine being in heaven and Heavenly Father like pulls you under his arm and he's like, hey, I'm sending you here. And you're just like, you see that it's the most wicked world and you're like, you look at it and you're like, no way am I going there. No way. There's no way I'm going to be able to do that. And he's like, it's okay because I'm sending him. And he turns you to Christ and he points to Christ and he's like, you'll be able to do this because of him. And you see this and you know this and so you're like, okay, I can do this as long as I have Christ to help me. And then I was like, yeah, that makes sense. Like, that's really cool. We've all heard this before. But then he kind of like expounded on that. And he's like, now imagine if Christ were in the same shoes that you were in. Heavenly Father pulls him aside and says, I'm sending you here and I need you to do this. And Christ says, no way, like that's really hard. I can't do that. And he said, but Heavenly Father turned Christ to us and he said, it's okay because I'm sending all of them. And if you were going to the most wicked world, of course you're going to send your most valiant, strong spirits to go there and accomplish the things that they need to. And so he turned Christ to us and said, I'm sending them and they're going to help you. And that's when Christ was like, okay, I can do this because I have them to help me. And I thought that was really cool because Heavenly Father loves each of us so much, and we each play a divine role, and we each have a divine purpose here in this life, and our purpose is to follow our Savior Jesus Christ.